Never have I done anything this fast. Hi, my name is Albert. I'm the president of Quantum Machinery Group. We're here in Nargesa today in Spain. They wanted to show me their new laser welder, which is the MS20. You guys will be able to experience how easy it is to work with the laser welder. The nice thing about this unit, it has two spools, so you can either work on a single or double wire. You also get a pretty good amount of tips. You get the lenses and you get the driving wheels. So another thing I like about this system is it works off of the 4.0 system, which is a new technology system. So let's just assume you have an issue with the unit. You're not sure what's going on with it. All you got to do is plug it up, and we can either log in the US and see what the issue is, or Nargesa can log in, of course, and just do some basic quick troubleshooting. So whatever you do here on the display, we are able to see on the other side. So this unit works off Fahrenheit, just to show you the temperature and all that. But temperature is very, very important. These units with Nargesa, you can run 10, 12, 24 hours a day, which is a big difference than what you'll see out in the market. A lot of the competition uses an air-cooled system. With this Nargesa MS20, this is a water-cooled system. Big, big difference. Now this MS20 can do a lot of different types of materials. So you could do mild steel, they have stainless steel, and then the nice thing about this machine, you can do pulse welding too. They did pulse welding on the stainless steel, and it's just literally a touch of a button. So I can change from pulse to regular welding. Can they do galvanized? So yeah, sure enough, you can do galvanized as well, as far as weld galvanized. So another thing that impressed me is the type of weld. When you do weld with the Nargesa laser welder, just how solid this thing is. Nargesa has had customers ask them, well, is it really rigid? And what they did, they used a PP200 horizontal press. They wanted to see if they can break the weld. So as you can see, this part is deformed now, but they were going back and forth trying to break this. Eventually they managed to break it, but to their surprise, it doesn't surprise me now because of how great a quality, but to their surprise, they didn't break the weld. What they did is they actually broke the material. So that broke first, but look how solid that is. That weld is amazing. Safety, of course, is always #1 priority. So make sure you wear your gloves, make sure you have an enclosure, and make sure you have the correct welding helmet. So there's a difference between the laser welding helmet and the other helmets that are out there. So just make sure you get the right one. I'm just gonna show you real quick of me welding some mild steel plate together, just so you can see how easy this is. Again, this is the first time they were showing me as far as explaining to me, so let's give this a try. So first, I'm going to tack it, and then we'll proceed. Wow, I am definitely impressed. This was my first time, and it is crazy. Full penetration, as you can see. Never have I done anything this fast. So definitely check out the Nargesa MS20. We will stock them in the United States. It's nargesa.com, or you can go to quantummachinery.com.
If you're a fabricator, you've definitely asked yourself, where can I buy precision metalworking equipment? From welding tables, laser welders, press brakes, shears, industrial saws, and benders, Quantum Machinery Group has you covered.